Hi guys, today in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can use well technically one tool that's already built into Windows 10 to take a simple snapshot of your computer. So the first tool I'm going to be talking is the Snipping Tool, which is now going away, and now they're kind of renaming it to the Snip and Sketch, which is this over here. And how you can open this is you can just go ahead and close out of here. We can go to our start menu and just simply type in snip, and you can see there's a snip and sketch. So you go ahead and click on that, and let's say we have uh, a document open, our web browser, whatever we might have open that we want to take a screenshot of. We can just simply hit new, and then let's just go ahead and select. Let's say we just want this. And then you can see as soon as we snip that, it automatically brought it over here so we can make some corrections, highlight something. Um, you can do a lot of things here. You can save it, or you can, let's go ahead and hit copy. Then we can open up, let's say a Word document, and now we can right click paste or just Control V to paste it. And now you can print this out. So it's a very easy tool that's built into Windows 10. Every computer out there has it if you're running Windows. And if you're not running Windows, Windows 8, they do have this snipping tool. So just type in snip. But I think that's even moving over or it's being unsupported. But you might be able to use this. And this is the same kind of thing. You just hit new, select what you want, and it kind of opens it up in that same window like what the snip and sketch does. And then we can make, if we want to highlight something, if we don't want that there, if you want to highlight text, I mean, you can do, whatever you want. And then you can right click copy, and then we can paste that into Word and print that out or send it off in an email, or you can paste this in a new email in Outlook if you need to. Now, the other way to accomplish this, if you don't have, for some reason, any of these tools, on your computer keyboard, there should be a icon, usually by the FN keys, that's called print screen. So I'm going to go ahead and push mine right now. So I just went ahead and pushed it. If you go ahead and hit the button and you go to paint and then do Control V to paste, it's going to paste the entire screenshot of your entire desktop. So if you just want to take a whole screenshot of the whole computer, that's the quickest way to do it. Is instead of using the snipping tool, you can just hit that print screen button on your keyboard and then go to paint, right click paste, or Control V to paste, and then now I just took a screenshot of the whole desktop. And if you have two screens, it'll screenshot the second screen as well. So it's pretty cool. So there's two ways that you can print screen or snippet something on your screen and you just want to make a copy of it, print it out or something. Now there's other programs out there that you can use this and it'll do video, record video of your screen, so you can do that as well. I'll leave a link in the description to a piece of software that does that. But if you just want to simply just snippet something on your computer, this is the easiest way to do it, is using the snip and sketch tool, which I said it's right here. Just search for snip, pull it open, snip it. Let's say we want to just capture this, bring it in, and now we can do whatever we want with it. Save it as as an image, or copy it and then paste it into an email. Now with Edge, the last thing I will say, in Edge they actually have this built in. So if you have Edge open, you can hit the three little dots here, and you go to Web Capture, and that basically brings up kind of a snipping tool within the browser. But it's just an easy way to snip it, copy this, and now we can go ahead and open up Word and paste that entire screenshot we just did. So there you guys have it. That's how easy you can open up a free tool that's already on your Windows computer. You don't need to download or install anything. It's already there, built into Windows 10. It's that snip and sketch tool. I hope this was helpful. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.